Okay. Cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm really liking this the stream starting soon thing. But we gotta be more on point with the time.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Now we gotta figure out a way to incorporate it.
Yeah. Okay. Trying to figure out which button to use. There it is. Nope, it's this one. Alright. Let's go. Let's get it started. Welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. We are your hosts. I am Eric.
And I'm Lalo. What's going on?
So let's get this thing going. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. It's gonna be a quickie today. Or I think, right?
Hope.
Fear and Greed Index 53. So we're neutral. We don't know if it's gonna go up, if it's gonna go down. But I've been analyzing the market, and I'll let you guys know what I personally think of the market. So where's the Bitcoin halving? Bitcoin halving. What is this? I don't care about this. You guys have 172 days, 18 hours, 44 minutes, and 37 seconds to get yourself more Bitcoin. Okay, here's the chart that I've been looking at. So this is the weekly time frame, right? So if we look at, let me see this. So this indicator is predicting that Bitcoin is gonna drop to 19,000. Is what this indicator is predicting. From a very, I guess, long perspective, is gonna drop to 19K, according to this thing. But I am personally predicting that Bitcoin's gonna go to about 32K. Is what I'm personally predicting, and I'll show you guys why. Let me close this thing. Let me show you. Let me show you my.
It's moving a little slow, Eric.
Is it moving a little slow?
Yeah, hold on. It's
laggy.
Yeah, it's a little laggy.
Ooh. Okay. Hopefully it's not too bad. All right. So from 31,000 to 28,000, this is what I call a traffic zone. A lot of transactions were taking place in this zone, and we entered it 1 2 3 4 5. We entered it 5 days ago. All right. So we're probably gonna be bouncing around inside of this box for quite some time. It is possible that, where's my brush, that we could go all the way, pierce, go to 32, and drop back down. If we manage to drop back down and hit this yellow line and then go back up again, that is gonna be a really bullish event. And then let's see what Lux Algo is predicting. So yeah, so Lux Algo is predicting $31,700. So the first prediction was 29,000. The second prediction is 31,000. This is a little bit of a shorter time frame where it believes we're gonna head to, and I could see it because we're inside of this green box. Got any questions?
Just the traffic zone.
Just the traffic zone. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be bouncing between 31,000 and 28,000. Probably this yellow line at 29. So yeah, 31 and 29,000 we're gonna be bouncing around. But if we manage to break these zones and stay above it, we might do good. There's one more thing that I noticed. Hold on, let me close this Lux Algo one. So we got this huge green candle, and then the next candle for this weekly is gonna close in 6 days. So we need to stay for the next 6 days, we need to stay above this yellow line to see a more bullish momentum. So we'll see where that takes us. And that's pretty much it. There really isn't much.
Nothing moved this week, at least.
Well, we broke 30K, which is the psychological, or we're trying to at least. Yeah, because we pierced it and then we dropped back down, and then we pierced it here but we dropped back down, and we're gonna retest it again, and this candle's going to confirm in about 2 hours and 40 minutes. It's when this candle is going to confirm. We need to close above this green line so we could go higher up to here, up to the 31 32K level. That's about it for the analysis. So dealing with the whole neutrality, we're not greedy, we're not fearful. We're probably gonna go sideways for quite some time if we're neutral. Nobody knows greedy or fearful. I did notice a little bit of news though. Let me bring this up.
La música.
What about it?
It's low. Yeah, I can't even hear it.
Yeah, you told me to lower it, fool.
No, but now like it's not even existent. It doesn't even exist.
Okay, there you go. Alright, so this is today's news that I've noticed. So Bitcoin transactions have dropped by 46%. So a lot of Bitcoin isn't moving.
Wait, what was that? That a lot of Bitcoin wasn't moving?
Yeah, so the transactions, so they're not, Bitcoin isn't really moving. So like, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, it's moving to my wallet.
Mm-hmm.
Or I'm selling, so it's moving out of my wallet. There really isn't a lot of transaction going on in the Bitcoin network. There was supposedly a huge decline mid-September by 46%. So with that, we could kind of predict that the market's gonna go sideways for a bit.
So it's gonna be at a stalemate.
It's gonna be like at a stalemate between 31 and what was it, 29. So if you wanna
28,
huh?
Didn't you say 28 to 31? Or was that like was gonna fluctuate through those numbers?
Yeah, between those, it's like it's approximate. Nothing's really exact, but it's like an approximate number: 28, 31, 32. It's just gonna go sideways. We could actually see it that, yeah, daily transactions right here. Daily transaction declined by 46%.
That is kind of weird, though. I'm not gonna lie. Just seeing nothing happen.
Yeah.
Like, nobody's buying, nobody's selling, nobody's doing nothing. It is a little weird.
They're saying that the reason was because of the whole ordinal thing was clogging up the network. Do you remember the ordinals? Or no?
No.
So pretty much they invented a way to do smart contracts on the Bitcoin network. So now you're able to do NFTs on the Bitcoin network.
Okay, more secure, more.
Yes,
more
but
reliable.
but Bitcoin is so slow that it can't handle all of that, traffic, and when it happens, it's gonna have the same problem Ethereum has with those high fees.
Yeah.
So that's what these NFTs are gonna cause the Bitcoin network. So a lot of people are still trying to convince others that you could do a smart contract platform on Bitcoin using what's called the Lightning Network. So they've been working on it for years now. So we'll see. But yeah, I think Bitcoin should just stay as digital gold. Is what I believe. Bitcoin should stay, and then just let other coins do their own thing. Do the smart contract platform.
Yeah, well, I really don't want to see NFTs backed by Bitcoin.
Well, Peter Schiff, he did NFTs on the Bitcoin network.
I don't like NFTs in general. Like the
Like the art aspect of it, just like
Yeah, well,
the JPEGs.
yeah, I guess it's cool like if you have it as like you have a profile picture and it's like moving and stuff, kind of,
Mm,
like, oh, this is an NFT that I bought. I own this. I'm the only one that has it. I guess that's cool. But if it's like you're spending, I don't know, $1 million or over even 1,000 for me, I'm just like for something like the board app. Yeah, the what is it? The board app. The
the
board ape.
Bored Ape Yacht Club.
Board ape. The board ape. Yeah, club. That to me is just
Yeah, I did not like that whatsoever. But what I thought was cool was like Kings of Leon, they made an album in NFT form. I don't know how
yeah,
many copies they sold, and you're able to own it
right.
as an
No, did you
NFT.
see what I said? Why I think that one is better than just the regular NFTs is because at least those you'll keep. So if you put it on like your iTunes or like Spotify or whatever other music thing you use, if you get like an NFT that's an actual album, then you own it forever. Like they can't take it away from you.
Yeah.
Same as with the movie, the Flash movie.
Oh
I don't
yeah.
know where like the Flash movie was also an NFT. Like that's cool. Like that's cool because you could keep it for a long time. It's like it's digitally stored, not something they can recall back from you.
Yeah. I was actually looking at gaming NFTs, and there's a lot of backlash from the gaming community when it came to crypto gaming, because they have a bad experience with the whole loot crate stuff. Is it the loot crate?
Oh yeah, like the pay to win type stuff.
Pay to win and the cosmetics and all of that. They have like a really bad reputation, and they think crypto gaming is another aspect of that, which it's
Well,
not.
with
It's not.
with anything that's good, there has to be a bad, right? The balance or whatever. So of course there's gonna be a like somewhere some game. If it does happen where it is incorporated into gaming, then there is gonna be some games that are gonna do it the wrong way, and
Yeah.
it's gonna
Yeah.
it's gonna mess it up.
It has to be, if games are gonna incorporate NFTs, it has to be on a good platform, not their own private thing, because then it just might as well be like a database. Like it has to be either the Solana network, Cardano network, Ethereum network, Polygon network. It has to be in those, so you could give it value and be able to sell it to other people if you don't want those items anymore.
Man, that must be pretty difficult because like you have kids as well,
Hmm.
and for them to be understanding all this logistic stuff, it's gonna be like a little bit harder
Yeah, I
to
think
actually sell that.
I forgot who was trying to do it. I think it was Ubisoft. They tried doing NFTs,
Hmm.
but it was through their own private network. I think it was Ubisoft. I don't remember, so don't quote me on it. But yeah, they did their own thing, and I guess a lot of people took it the wrong way. Well, which they should, right? Because they're just, at that point, they're just milking the players for more money.
Yeah.
So it's kind of the same thing as cosmetics on Fortnite. You own it, and then they have no value anymore unless you sell the whole account, which is, I guess, kind of illegal, or you can't do that. They shut down your account or something like that.
Yeah, if they catch you, right? But yeah, that's a whole nother.
Yeah, so if gaming is gonna do NFTs, it has to be on a public platform like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, in one of those. It can't be their own networks, their own private thing, because that's just centralized, and it's just, you get no value off of it. So yeah, so that's what's going on with the whole. Going back to the whole Bitcoin, that's what's going on with them. And then we got Robert Kiyosaki predicting Bitcoin to go up to 135,000, and gold will take off soon. Yeah, but they've been saying that forever. He's been saying, "Oh, gold is gonna go up." Which he could be right?
I mean, you never know, honestly.
Yeah.
One thing can change tomorrow, and forget about it. Oh, I mean, silver. Hopefully, silver.
Silver.
For all the people that own silver out there.
Oh yeah, right here he's saying, adding that he expects silver to go from $23 to $68 an ounce. So that would be what, 20, 40,
That's like almost, what, 3 times?
like a 3x.
Yeah, almost 3 times. Let's go. At least for people who have a lot of silver.
Yeah, they've been holding it for what, 50 years?
Yeah.
Let me
finally.
See.
Well, not finally, right? Because this is not a for sure thing. But
so let's see what.
But if it does happen, you gonna get your money, man. Get your bag.
Let's see what silver's doing. Yeah, we've been. This is the silver chart. We haven't really done much.
That's horrible.
Yeah, we haven't done anything since 2020. We actually, people that bought silver back in the pandemic lost money. And then we got this one, which was 2011. People lost money. Yeah, silver has been a horrible investment. But gold has been a good one. Yeah, gold has been a good investment. It's just been stagnant since August of 2020.
Last year.
It looks like we might have a cup and handle here. Let me see. It might, yeah, right here. So let's see how high gold could go. Yeah, I think at this point I would trust gold more over silver.
Yep.
Yeah, $2,600 an ounce for gold.
Wow.
Let me see if I could predict something for silver. Let me go to the month chart. Yeah, I guess. Like if we look at the monthly chart for silver, we have a cup and handle here. So yeah, we need to pass this yellow line, and let's see where it could take us.
I mean, but that's still a long time. Like,
that's where he got that number. You see that? 68,000.
Yeah.
I mean, $68,000. $68.
$68.
Yeah, that's where he got that number. That's where he's getting that number. Yeah, $68. That's where he's getting that number.
I'm gonna go back to it. Back to it right quick.
Yeah, there's a cup and handle on the monthly chart for silver.
And when is this to happen? And what? 23 or?
So.
Entonces ya era bajo, ¿no?
So let me get a ruler. So right here should be the breaking point, maybe. 1,150 days. How much is that? 3 years?
Yeah, like 27.
Yeah, so it would be before that. It could happen sooner. It could happen much sooner. So yeah, that's crazy. I found out where he got that number. Yeah, silver right there. It says Bitcoin testing 30,000, next stop 135. I don't know where he's getting that number. I have no idea. Where is he getting that number from? I have no idea where he's getting that number from. 135? Yeah, I have no idea where he's getting that number from. How much?
I mean,
alright, so let's do a little bit of quick Twitter. You sent me this one, right? The whole BlackRock CEO Larry Fink says crypto will play an important role.
that was last week.
Was it?
Yeah, that was last week. Oh, that's not really crypto related news, but it is
The
bad news for Americans in general.
yeah. So this was a good one. Yeah. So Tesla reveals none of their 312 million.
Yeah, $312 million worth of Bitcoin.
Oh, okay. I thought it was Bitcoin. Okay, yeah. Okay. So 312 million dollars was not sold in quarter three. And then you got this bad news: Chinese yuan surpasses the euro to become world's second most used currency force, the SWIFT. I think if I remember right, there was Chainlink. Chainlink is gonna do something with the SWIFT system, which I thought was pretty cool. Not Swift. Chainlink is one of those coins I'm actually keeping an eye on.
Mm.
So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for today. Do you want to add anything? Because today was a little quick, short one, and we're at 21 minutes.
Just the portfolios if you want.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's see.
Let's see what my Bitcoin doing. Come on, man. Alright.
You broke 2,000.
Let's go. Fucking PayPay, piece of shit. Anytime I get a chance to slander PayPay, I'm gonna fucking take it.
So you're gonna do. So far you've made $257 total since you started investing. So I am at 2,200.
400.
I've made 400. I've made
5, yeah. You can round it to 5. It's 480.
Yeah.
500.
Yeah, Solana was a pretty good one.
What's Solana at? Oh, it raised up to 29.
Yeah. It's been at $21 forever. So do you want to add Bitcoin, or what do you want to do?
I'm just gonna add Bitcoin.
Just Bitcoin?
Yeah, man. I'm not trusting nothing right now, but just Bitcoin right now.
Because we could do the analysis, the Bitcoin chart versus like an altcoin.
I mean, the only one I'm actually interested in was probably like the Star Atlas one.
Oh, the Star. Yeah, that's probably gonna do. Let's see how Star Atlas is doing right quick.
That's literally probably it.
The one that also grabbed my attention was Orca.
Orca?
Yeah, Orca and Radium, them two. Ooh, it went up.
Okay, hold on, you're not.
I'm not showing it.
Yeah, you're not showing.
It went up a bit. We're at 13 cent. We were at 8 cent.
Oh, that's what 5 cent, 5 cent increase.
Yeah,
that's fire.
So yeah, this one is 130x if it goes back to its previous all-time high. You multiply your money times 130.
Let's go.
This was gonna be crazy if it survives the bear market.
So far, so good.
So yeah.
Don't give it.
Yeah, right now we're still bouncing in this level. So what I was seeing is right here is gonna be like a break moment. Let me see. How many? Pretty much a year, 332 days. If we actually could keep up a whole year just going sideways at these levels, and we make it past this trend line, we could actually start seeing it go up. But it needs to survive the bear market because the team is running out of funds. They started firing people. They laid them off. They're trying to do whatever they can just to have enough money and have enough funds to keep the project going. So they have it rough right now.
I mean, I really like Star Atlas, man. Hopefully it picks up or it survives.
Oh, there's a new crypto project that I just seen. It has to do with recycling.
Man, nobody wants.
Exactly. Nobody want to recycle, so they're incentivizing people to recycle, and you earn crypto for recycling. But that's all I know. I haven't really looked much into it. I just seen like a little ad on Instagram. It could actually be a scam for all I know.
True.
So I haven't done much research on it. Alright, yo, that's all I got. I'll see y'all next week.